Good day, everybody. I'm here to share a simple example of how we can use ChatGPT to analyze UNINFO data. But before we start, let's take 30 seconds to remind ourselves about the responsible use of publicly available generative AI tools.
In a world where technology is rapidly evolving, it's essential to strike a balance between harnessing the potential of AI and being mindful of its inherent risks.
ChatGPT and similar large language models have incredible potential to enhance productivity, but they can also generate false information, perpetuate biases, and pose security risks.
That's why we must use them responsibly by doing these three things.
Never upload sensitive information or personal data to public AI platforms.
Verify all AI-generated content carefully to ensure accuracy.
Remember that you remain accountable for the outputs of AI tools you use.
So let's now move on to using AI to analyze UNINFO data. Because we don't have much time, I will show you the easiest way to do it. Please remember that this will only work if you have quality UNINFO data. Unfortunately for Gambia, our UNINFO data is not yet there. So for this example, I've used the data from the Cabo Verde UNINFO website. So what we do is you go to the UNINFO website and you download the three charts you get there. The three charts are a flow chart showing the contributing partners' flow of funds towards SDGs. The second is a chart showing the available resources per SDG. And the third is a bar chart that contrasts the available and the required resources per SDG. We're going to ask ChatGPT to analyze the three charts. So after downloading the charts, the next thing we need to do is figure out the type of analysis or insights we want from ChatGPT. In my case, I wrote down the analysis because I like writing things down. And as you can see, these are handwritten notes, but we'll also see that this is not a problem for ChatGPT. So, in ChatGPT, we start off by transcribing the notes which I wrote so that we can use them to tell ChatGPT what to do. And to do this, I simply upload my handwritten notes, and then I ask ChatGPT to transcribe them for me. As you can see, ChatGPT has got no problems at all transcribing my handwritten notes so that I can use them to tell ChatGPT what to do. Here we have the notes written down, and as far as I can tell, it has gotten everything correct. Now that our instructions to ChatGPT are transcribed, as you can see here, the next thing to do is copy and paste it into the ChatGPT input, and also to then upload our three charts from the Cabo Verde UNINFO website. So we're asking ChatGPT to analyze these three charts, and these are the instructions of how to do the analysis. And ChatGPT should now start analyzing. So ChatGPT is doing all this analysis by looking at the images, the images of the graphs which we have given it, which is amazing because it really saves you on work. Because without this, the other alternative would have been to actually download the entire Excel sheet and then start doing the analysis using the Excel sheet, which ChatGPT can do, but we don't have enough time to cover that today. So, ladies and gentlemen, here you have it. This is the analysis by ChatGPT. It doesn't end there. Suppose you wanted to find out more about, let's say, here it says percentage coverage of required resources for each SDG. Some SDGs like clean water and sanitation have 100%. And suppose you wanted to know more about this, you could simply copy this and then say to ChatGPT, please, can you tell me more about in 800 words? And ChatGPT will go on to do a further analysis into the specific issue that you've asked about. For in this case, we asked it to tell us more about the percentage coverage of required resources for each SDG. So there you have it. This is a quick demonstration of some of the things which we can do in using ChatGPT to analyze UNINFO. What is important to say about using ChatGPT is a few things. First of all, you must have quality UNINFO data. Second of all, you must know the type of analysis that you want ChatGPT to do so that you get the best out of it, and that's very crucial. Thirdly, you must then be able to tell ChatGPT what you want it to do and know that you can always communicate with ChatGPT in cases where it doesn't give you what you want. You can correct it and tell it what you want it to do.